Built in Kansas City, Missouri on February 20th and sold new in Clayton, Missouri on March 20th of 1969, this 69 Chevy Chevelle SS came equipped new with the potent L78 396 by 375 horsepower engine option and 4-speed transmission. The Chevelle had over $1,100 in options at the time of delivery. The vehicle has always remained in Missouri, and many years later it was treated to a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. The Chevelle has been media blasted down to bare sheet metal and received a fresh coat of paint, top to bottom, inside and out. Finished in correct and desirable garnet red over a black vinyl interior, the Chevelle looks just like it did the day it rolled off the showroom floor. The car has been fitted with an all-new interior from Legendary, which is some of the best fitting stuff in the business. The paint job also showcases the correct sport striping as the car originally had. The glass, trim, and chrome are all in excellent restored original or new. The original motor from the Chevelle was destroyed many years ago, and the current knob has been rebuilt and definitely puts down the power when you ask for it. The Muncie transmission and the rear end have been rebuilt as well. All of the suspension and brake components were stripped from the frame when the car was on the rotisserie and have been restored as well. The engine and undercarriage showcase high quality work and the plethora of new shiny parts. The car is as tight as it was off the showroom floor and is exciting to drive. Original documentation includes the window sticker, body broadcast copy, and Protecto plate. The Chevelle would make an excellent show car, and if you aren't afraid to get her dirty, she would make a stunning car to drive.